Houseflies are often underestimated, but their presence affects our lives significantly in various ways. Known scientifically as Musca domestica, these common insects thrive in human-altered environments and ecosystems. Houseflies typically measure around 6 to 7 millimeters and exhibit striking features, including gray thorax with dark stripes. Their remarkable adaptability helps them survive in diverse habitats, often locating food sources in decaying organic matter. Astonishingly, a female housefly can lay up to 500 eggs, setting the stage for rapid population growth. Upon hatching, these eggs turn into larvae, known as maggots, which begin voraciously consuming organic materials. This maggot stage is critical, propelling their growth by feeding on decaying matter in just a matter of days. After feeding, maggots seek dry locations to pupate, marking a transformative phase with significant physiological changes. Inside the pupa, remarkable metamorphosis occurs, reshaping the larva into a fully developed housefly ready for adulthood. Upon emerging, adult houseflies become recognized nuisances, significantly impacting human health and the environment. Effective management of housefly populations requires a balance between control strategies and recognizing their ecological benefits.